is the new 2020 Ford F-150 Raptor Truck Super Cab Styleside. The color is lead foot. Some features include auto high beam headlamps, running boards, and it can tow up to 6,000 pounds. It's also equipped with a trailer sway control, remote start, and rear view camera. To help you feel safe and secure, it's equipped with a tire pressure monitor system and an SOS post-crash alert system. The inside of the new 2020 Ford F-150 Raptor Truck Super Cab Styleside, the interior color is black. It's equipped with an illuminated entry, outside temperature display, pre-collision assist, and FordPass Connect 4G Wi-Fi. It also has leather seats. Please come on down to Malloy Ford here in Alexandria, Virginia, and make it Malloy. Thank you.